an economist with Indonesian think tank Center of Economic and Law Studies, says China will maintain sustainable economic growth.
I think there will be like a major improvement, major recovery we see here in the region, especially in China. We see from the manufacturing sector, there will be like a good improvement. And then the number of the manufacturing PMI, Purchasing Manager Index, I think is improving also. And also the buyout of the raw materials, the purchasing of the new technology equipment in some of the sectors is increasing. The first one is about the government interventions. The government of China do proper things. For instance, rather than increasing the interest rate, they cut the interest rate to boosting the credit growth, especially for the consumers, for the property sectors. And from the fiscal side, I think a lot of the stimulus, fiscal and non-fiscal stimulus given to the industry players, and the China commitment to increase digitalizations, the digital economy, the payment system, I think helping a lot for sustainable economic growth in the midterm. And the next momentum is increasing domestic demand and also export. Because China, as we see that they also contribute a lot of the industrial products, electronic, automotive products to the regions, especially in Southeast Asia. We see a lot of increase and significant recovery in the exports.